What's up, everybody? Jared Kwan. We are looking at another display of Ghosts from the Past 2. This is not the 3 that I had pre-ordered. This is actually from my friend Red Garza. So thank you very much for these boxes. And let's see what we get today. The Dragon Circle, that place. Stick Shine Ball. Alright, this be a theater. 88. Ready? Red Eye Zombie Necro Dragon. So I think this is just Red Eye Zombie Necro Dragon. I'm assuming. Can't read today. I'm thinking of the one that's coming up. The next main set, I believe. Baxia. White Beard. Look at that. A ghost rare of Dark Armed Dragon. What do you know? Look at that beautiful card. That is amazing. Plunder Patrol. Chimera Tech Fortress. First box opening on this display. That is awesome. Alright. Laplacen. Kodak. Laplace. False Fusion. Malefic Cyber End. Let's see. Thomas. Former Pal Misdirector. Glubion. Oh, in case anyone knows, this is actually supposed to be Dragravion for Gravitons. I don't know why they went with Draglubion. That didn't make any sense to me. Codex Sporter and Necro Slime. Let's see. Pluto. Void Cauldron. Rainbow Dragon. Plunder Patrol Bran. And the Chorus in the Sky. Okay, let's see. Gravito. Retaliating Sea. Outburst. Uranus. And Balladrock. Seem to have plenty of Balladrocks out of this set. Okay, Sandwich. Rookie Warrior Lady. Protector of the Agents. Princess Cologne. Let's see. Dramaturge. Blaze Dragon. Glad to finally see that one. That's new for me to see. Actually need one more copy of that for myself. Alright. Skull Buggy, Mars, Shell Knight, Shadow Vampire, and Yazzie. Alright. This will be a Theater of the Branded. Plunder Patrol, Vision Hero Ferris, Track Black, Deskbot 001. Okay, let's see. 9 Pillars, Sandwich, Mardell, Shadow Vampire, and Deskbot 001 again. Let's see. Rookie Warrior Lady, Dramaturge, Increase, Cologne, Dark Contract with the Swamp King. Let's see. Blaze Dragon again, Poisoner, Outburst, Pendulum Area, and Dotscaper. Okay, let's see. Ghostrick Stein. Cannot pronounce that for some reason. Hang on. Let's see if I can. Shathana. Okay. Borland Dragon again. Necro Slime. Cockatoриum. Alright. Last box of this display. What can we get? Fire Sorcerer. Fall Over. Another Borland Dragon. Vampire Domination. Hela. Generator Boss of Doom. Rookie Warrior Lady, Dramaturge, Dark Magician, Princess Cologne, Dark Contract again. Alright, 2 more packs. Vampire Sorcerer, Infernity Pawn, Odd-Eyes Overlord, Jupiter, Contract with the Void, Last pack. Keep your fingers crossed. Maybe we'll get a second Ghost Rare in this display. Not. Altergeist Fallover, Baxia, Necroworld Banshee, Vampire Sucker, and Vampire Takeover. Alright, everyone. Well, that's it for this set. Good lord, that thing is off center. Take care, everyone.